This term, our class has got pen pals from a school in Oregon State in the USA. Mine is really nice. Her name is Claire, and she lives in Portland. Claire sent me a picture of her city, and you can see a beautiful mountain in the background, Mount St. Helens. It turns out the Mount St. Helens is actually a volcano. That got me thinking about volcanoes. How are they formed? Where does lava come from? I decided to do some research. I want to learn what causes volcanoes like Mount St. Helens to form. The surface of the Earth is actually made up of a number of large slabs of rock called plates. They form the outer layer of the Earth. We call this layer the crust, and it is rather like the skin of an apple. These plates lie on a partially liquid layer that enables them to move around. They move very slowly, at about the same rate as the growth of a fingernail. Sometimes plates collide and one will be pushed under the other. Thousands of years ago, on the west coast of the United States, the Juan de Fuca plate collided with the North American plate and was forced underneath it. The plates rubbing together would have caused many earthquakes. As the Juan de Fuca plate was pushed further down, its rock was melted into magma. As more and more magma is created, the pressure builds and cracks form upwards into the rock. Magma may be pushed upwards with so much force that it causes an eruption on the surface. As the hot lava cools on the surface and the volcano erupts repeatedly, huge volcanoes are formed. This is how Mount St. Helens and the other volcanoes in the Cascade Mountains were formed. So now I know that plates forming the outer layer of the Earth move and collide, causing earthquakes, that plates can be melted into magma, and that a volcano is formed when magma is forced to the Earth's surface. Now I'm going to write to Claire and tell her all the things I've learned about Mount St. Helens.